Hey guys, welcome back to CS Charan. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to hide files in the form of image. If you look into the screen, we are having two files. One is image file and one is text file. What I am going to do is, I am going to hide this text file in the form of image. So to do that, we have to create a new folder and we have to copy these two files in the same folder and we have to open this. Then we have to open the command prompt. To open the command prompt, what we have to do is, click on the search bar, then type cmd and press enter. After that, but before doing that, what we have to do is, we have to compress this image into a RAR file. To do that, right click on the text file, then click on WinRAR add to a.RAR so that we can transfer this text file into a RAR file. Then what we have to do is, now the actual process will be start. You can see here the image file is 12.3 and the RAR file size is 94 bits. So after that, open command prompt, then type this copy backslash b, then the syntax will be image file plus RAR file space new file. Okay, so what I am going to do is, my image file is x.jpg plus a.rar. My image file plus image plus, so the syntax will be copy backslash b image file plus file space new file, so new.jpg. So if we click enter, it will generate new image as new.jpg. You can see the file size difference 12.4 KB and here you can see 12.3 KB. So it has been added. If we double click it, it will open image only. But the thing is, how to view that hidden file. So to view that, right click on this image, then click on open with, then click on WinRAR. So the text file will be visible over here. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.